In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix destination mismatch in Google Ads. So destination mismatch is a common error in Google Ads that occurs when the final URL of your ad doesn't match the actual landing page URL, either due to redirects or tracking errors or mismatched domain policies. Here's how to resolve it. So first, understand the issue. You can check the notification. Look for the destination mismatch error notification under the Ads and Extension tab. So since this version doesn't have the Ads and Extension tab, click the Goal section and then select the conversions. Under that, select the summary. So in here, you'll be able to see all the datas from your ads and campaigns. And then you'll need to identify the affected ad. You can click on the specific ad or campaign flag with the issue and note the final URL and the mismatch details provided. So, as you can see in here, I don't have yet a issue about that, but to give you all an example, we're going to use the assumingly scenarios. So, to verify the final URL, you can manually test the URL. You can copy the final URL in your ad and paste it into your browser, and then ensure it resolves correctly to the intended landing page without errors or redirects. And then after that, you can check redirects. Use a redirect checker tool like redirect checker to see if the URL is redirecting to a different domain or page. And then after that, you can fix any unnecessary redirects that may cause a mismatch. And now, to check tracking templates, you can access your options in Google Ads. Go to Ads and click on the Ads with the issue. And then after that, you can open URL options to view the tracking template and final URL suffix. Ensure configuration. If you're using a tracking template, confirm that the final URL dynamically resolves to the correct landing page. After that, you can update tracking parameters, fix any typos or updated parameters that might conflict with your landing page. So assumingly we have that. So to confirm domain consistency, ensure the final URL's domain matches the domain of the landing page. For example, final URL is www.links.com and then the product page. And then for the landing page is https example.com or links.com and then the product. So as you notice, we have a mismatch detected due to the www dot on the landing page because we don't have a www dot extended to the domain name. So to update your final URL, if there's a domain mismatch, update the final URL in your ad to match the actual landing page. And then after that, Google Ads policy review confirm that the destination URL complies with Google Ads policies. For example, no harmful content, no restricted goods or services, and then policy violations can sometimes trigger a mismatch error. To fix policy issues, if the landing page violates any policies, update it to align with the Google Ads requirements, and then resubmit the ad. And after that, contact with the Google Ads support. If you are still unable to resolve the issue, you can go to the help section and contact us with your Google Ads account. And that's it. That's how you fix a destination mismatch in Google Ads. I hope this guide helps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.